Oh, it's Ben Meyer at Meyer Auction Service. Here we have a 1982 International truck here. It's got the flatbed box on it. It's running, so you can hear it running. Doing a little video walk around. The wind finally went down. Had a chance to get out here and show you that the truck is running. It comes from Farmers Cashway in Huron, South Dakota. And it runs, it drives. I just moved it out here, so there it is. Beautiful, beautiful evening here in South Dakota. Got the flatbed box on it. Haul whatever you want. Obviously I'm not going to shift because I'm holding my phone, so but truck runs, drives. I think you'll like it. So there it is. Check it out, benmeyerauctions.com. Thanks for looking and good luck bidding.